Today we're featuring a 2017 Nissan Rogue S. It's an all-wheel drive. It's got 41,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, silver metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape there. All right, it is equipped with the rear backup camera. And like I mentioned before, it is an all-wheel drive. The exterior is really good on this Rogue. All right, it's a 17. It's got 41,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. You got the black on black door panels. Nice metallic piece here. Power locks, power windows. It does have the black cloth seating. Driver's seat's in really good shape. Grab this key. Alright, it does have the keyless entry key fob as well. Alright, passenger seat's in really good shape. Alright, it is an automatic. It's got your USB auxiliary and power outlet down here, and I'll show you that in a second. See if I can get a light on that. It's right down there. Alright, you got your climate control center here. Your screen display right here, and your backup camera will be right there. It is equipped with Bluetooth and also steering wheel audio controls. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 41,408 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and check out your display screen here. Alright, it does have CD player, AM, FM, XM ready. Alright, go ahead and engage your backup camera. There's your backup camera. The car's been started for a few minutes now, and the AC is already blowing cold, so we're not going to have any problems there. Let's go ahead and show you one more thing here before we move to the back seat. But here's your all-wheel drive button. Okay, it's got your sport button there and the eco. Go ahead and turn the lights on it there just so you can see it a little bit better. But you have those buttons right there to the left of the steering column. All right, door panels back here in good shape. The cloth back here looks good. Alright, it is a 2017. It does have 41,000 miles on it, but the interior is great. No issues at all. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, everything looks good. Very convenient with these seats too. You just pull this down. Alright, opens that right up. Walk around to the other side here. Simply just pull up on this tab right here. Alright, seats come right down. Let's go ahead and check out the lift gate here in your storage area. Carpet back here looks good, and you can see now that those seats are down just how much it opens it up back here. A ton of space. All right, it does have this convenient little storage area up underneath here. All right, same there. And it's really easy to get the seats back up. Simply just lift them up, click back into place there. All right, and as you can see, the cloth on this side, it's in great shape, no issues at all. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. 17-inch steel wheels. It's got the nice plastic hubcap on them here. All right, tires are good. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, just to recap, it's a 2017 Nissan Rogue S. It's an all-wheel drive. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's 41,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, take a test drive, check it out, and thank you for watching the video.